Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you a dollar store haul. I've never shown a made a video on dollar store hunting or shopping, guys. So I got a few items at the dollar store that I don't mind sharing with you. So if you'd like to see what I got from the dollar store during a lockdown 2021, while there's not many places open, dollar store is one of the essential places that are allowed to open, and a place that you can walk into and get essential items. So I picked up a few things. So if you'd like to see what's in the bag here, please watch the video till the end, and also give it a thumbs up and comment down below. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, first of all, I got this handy little all-purpose canister, and a lot of things in the dollar store are $4, guys. Even though it's called the dollar store, it's not necessarily $1 you're paying for these items. And I bought this coloring pad and this cookie cutter to use in the kitchen. It's a 3-piece, okay, cookie cutter. And I bought this garlic press. Also this oven liner, guys. Sometimes you're making stuff in the oven and you know that it drips. There's drip at the bottom. This helps to catches spills and splatters. And it's for electric or gas ovens. Yeah, less cleaning. So for you guys that are not too familiar with what the dollar store carries in Canada, those of you that are not living in Canada, you have an idea of some of the things that we get in the dollar store. Okay, there's also another dollar store called the Dollar Tree, but this one is called the Dollarama, and this is tablecloth. I like this color. And I picked up some baking cups, guys. I like these colors and I like the design. And I bought some things here. Turn the camera here. This is zipper bags for mason jars. This is Mezzaluna herb chopper for the kitchen. And this is just an opener, bottle opener. I needed one of those. And I also needed wooden spoon. I have to make sure my wooden spoon, when buying wooden spoon, guys, I feel around to make sure it's smooth all over, because you don't want to be putting a chipped wooden spoon in your bake. Okay, when it comes to wooden spoon, you have to be careful. even when you have it at home, you know, you have it in your drawer, and before you bake, you feel to make sure, you know, it's the edges are smooth and there's no wood chipping on your off your spoon, because you don't want that to go in your cake. So you check. And this is that I really like, a bottle washer. So, you know, sometimes you have some very long bottles and you don't have a long enough brush to go in it. This is very handy. So there's two sizes there, and that's $3. So a lot of the things are, most of the things are like $3-4. And this is measuring cup. These are what do you call it? Collapsible is the word? Yeah, collapsible measuring cups. So, you know, just to save space in your drawer, you can fold it away. 4 different sizes, and yeah, you open it when ready to use, and to save space in your drawer, you fold them. And I like the colors. And I also like the fact that they're collapsible. The baking cups, I also like the fact that you can fold them away to save space in your drawer. And these are produce bags. You know, I guess people are into now saving the planet, or it's better for the environment to be using these bags than to be using plastic bags. And they're promoting these bags, your reusable bags or paper bags, I guess. And this is an essential item, a silicone spreader spatula. And you guys will be seeing me using these things when the time comes. And I always see these and wanted to buy one, guys, but I eventually decided to pick up one. The mortar, you know, for mortaring, like in Jamaica, when I was much younger, my grandmother had one of these. Not exactly like this, but a mortar. She had, I think it was the stone kind. They have the stone kind and this is the wooden kind. Yeah, so like, for example, pimento and stuff like that, instead of beating it, otherwise you just put it in and, you know, yeah, I decided to buy the wooden one at the dollar store. And here's another spoon. So smooth. And as I said, you check your spoons. Because believe you me, guys, when you go to the store, whether it's a dollar store or wherever, you buy some of these spoons, and when you feel them, they're not smooth, they're chipped. So you check your spoon before buying. And this is a handy little basket that I like. Okay, so and yeah. Is there anything left? No. The Dollarama. See the big dollar sign, guys? But not everything is there for $1. Like most of what you buy is over $1, like $3. So you also have to be careful when you go to the dollar store, because like you might not be getting a good deal. Okay, so yeah, that's some of the things I picked up at the dollar store, and I am excited. So when I start using these things, guys, you will see them put to use. Okay, and then guys, I have a lot of exciting videos coming up. So stay tuned for the videos that I have coming for 2021. And these are the things. Let me gather them together for you to see what I got at the dollar store. Yep, and there they are, guys. And thanks for joining me in another video, and until the next video, stay safe.